We are ready for the battle here on the Wray and Nephew Contender. Now, we just heard the war of words from both boxers, and it's time for some action right about now. Or as we say in Jamaica, the talking done. The first boxer to the ring is more dangerous than his record indicates, and he's ready to prove that tonight. Team Canada is seeking redemption in the hands of this boxer. Make some noise for Wasim the Surgeon El Sinawi.
So how you bar? So how you bar? Them hungry bad fi make car, fi make phone car. Iron hand no hard fit we done a tar. Hana chana. Banga mana banga mana banga mana banga mana banga mana banga mana. Roll dog, roll up it. Banga mana banga mana banga banga mana banga mana banga mana banga mana banga. Pull fire black.
Alrighty then, making his walk of pain but coming to inflict the pain is our local bad boy from Outer West. This is his weight division, so we expect a bag of things from the assassin, Ramel Sub-Zero Lewis.
Mount up over me and me friend them out. Mount a ends down the mountain, links down the road, I connect when them down. Oh yeah, go on, quick, yo, quick. Yeah. Just left the doctor, me head still sick. Flick me see man, no flip me, no fling kick. Turn up the sound, the rings it. Boom, boom, what at the night time? Don't tell them no say from gas the night time. And the rum tell us I jump at the press the night bar. Anyway, bitch, there's someone be fly far. Watch out, you can't like bar and a fight bar. Race out, and they come sound them out like cigar. Me love this all night, right no more.
All right, we've got a full house, and if it's one thing I'm sure about this week, everybody come early so the fight can't miss them. The boxers are ready to do their thing, and Patrick Anderson is ready to do his. Let's head over for the tail of the tape.
Thank you very much, Crystal. Let's take a look at the tail of the tape. El Sinawi, just a tick, about a year and a half younger than Lewis, so that's a wash. But when you look at the height in the tape, it provides El Sinawi with a 5.5-inch height advantage, and that propels him to a 4-inch reach advantage. That could be important. Lewis has 15 professional fights as against El Sinawi with 3, but El Sinawi has over 120 amateur fights. Lewis must stay close, stay on the inside, work the body, tighten up his defense. El Sinawi must stay on the outside, jab, double up on that jab, and throw the straight right when the opening provides. Let's get the details from the ring announcer, Oliver Hardy.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to you and welcome to the Chinese Benevolent Association, Kingston, Jamaica, as TVJ brings you another night of action-packed boxing sponsored by Wray and Nephew White Overproof Rum, guaranteed full strength. This bout is sanctioned by the Jamaica Boxing Board of Control with our president, Stephen Bomber Jones, and our vice presidents, Alexander Johnson and Lieutenant Colonel Derek Robinson. Our judges at ringside are Floyd Porter, Lawrence Newfield, and Ransford Burton. Our timekeepers are Valerie Murphy and Kemar Duncan. And our doctor at ringside, Dr. Andre McDonald and his short-time team. Okay, boxing fans, here we go with our main event of the evening. 5 rounds of boxing in a welterweight matchup. And now, for the hundreds in attendance and the millions joining us around Jamaica, live from the CBA, it's the Wray and Nephew Contender! Introducing to you first, boxing out of the red corner, representing Canada by way of Windsor, Ontario. Wearing blue trunks with white trim, he weighed in at 146 pounds. He has a professional record of 1 win, 2 losses, 1 win coming by way of knockout. Wasim the Surgeon Tsunami. And his opponent across the ring, boxing out of the blue corner, representing Jamaica by way of Westmoreland, Jamaica. Wearing blue trunks with white trim, he weighed in at 146 pounds. He has a professional record of 9 wins, 8 losses, 2 big wins coming by way of knockout. Ramel Sub-Zero Lewis. And our third man in the ring, our referee, Owen Nelson.
Okay, gentlemen, you will briefly just follow my
One of
instruction
our
at all time.
most
Protect
promising
yourself,
and
avoid
better
unnecessary
referees,
road
Owen
blow,
Nelson,
touch gloves, dress
reminds the boxers of what are the things that are expected in this 5-round welterweight contest. The key ones are keep the punches above the belt, keep the heads up, and no holding, no punching behind the head. We're getting set for fight number 3. And here we go. The Canadian by way of Jordan. His parents are from Jordan and he was taken to Canada as a child. So Canada is all that he knows. A kickboxer transformed into the hands-only sport of the beautiful science known as pugilism. Wasim El Sinawi, 5 feet 10.5 inches. He has a 5.5 inch height advantage, gives him a 4-inch reach advantage, 74 to 70. Ramel Lewis, the shorter of the two fighters, and of necessity, he has to, in order to be able to get beyond the jab and the reach that can keep him outside, he has to get on the inside, bull his way on the inside. Oh, that's a good left hook by Lewis, and Lewis has to be calm here. He has a tendency when he senses that he may or he does have his opponent hurt, he just goes wild, punching himself out. And when you punch and you miss, folks, it's perhaps worse than taking a punch. It saps your energy. So he is having the advantage here. Oh, 2 body punches and an uppercut that straightens up El Sinawi. Midway round 1. El Sinawi, the taller of the two boxers, the Caucasian. Both are in blue trunks with white trim. Lewis facing the cameras. Sinawi back to the camera. Now facing the camera. He's in a spot of bother. There's no doubt about it. Took a left hook, body punches, and an uppercut that straightened him out. That is what Lewis has to do. Get close, stay close, fight on the inside. He cannot stay on the outside and expect to dominate this fight. He could win it, but he won't dominate it. Oh, that's a good right hook by Lewis. And again, he tags El Sinawi, who is showing no defense here. 25 seconds to go. The question is, can El Sinawi last this opening round? Already he has taken some pummeling. Lewis is getting aggressive. Wasim El Sinawi, a baptism of fire